In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the thumbnail image on Wix in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup option. You'll find this option within your site's dashboard. This is where you can adjust the settings and manage all aspects of your site, including design and content. Now, after you're in the Setup area, look around for the option marked Design Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the design interface of your Wix site, where you can make all the visual changes you want. This is your creative space, so feel free to explore features beyond just thumbnails if you're curious. Next, look for the Pages and Menu button. It should be pretty visible, as it's a fundamental aspect of your site's structure. Clicking on this option will open a list of all your site's pages and their configurations. From here, you'll want to focus on locating the Blog Pages section. Click on it, and this action will enable you to see all the blog pages that your site houses. It's crucial as thumbnails often relate to blog post images and visibility. Once you're inside blog pages, proceed by selecting Blog. This button will allow you to access all your blog posts where you can manage them individually or in batches and adjust how they appear to your readers. Now look for the Settings option next. Clicking on it will open a variety of settings specifically related to your blog posts. Tailor your blog's appearance and functionality from here, focusing on engaging your audience effectively. You're almost there. Scroll until you see Manage Posts and click on it. This is the command center for all your blog entries. Here you can edit, delete, and organize your posts as you see fit. In the list of posts, spot the Post tab and go ahead and click on it. This will categorize and list out your available posts so you can easily select which one you want to change the thumbnail for. If you want to create a new post rather than edit an existing one, locate the Create a Post button and click it. This will open up the post editor where you can enter your content and, importantly, set your post thumbnail. Now, within the settings of the post editing page, find and click on the Settings option again. This specific settings menu pertains to the post's individual configurations, including images. Look for the plus sign, which is your cue to add a new image to the post. Clicking this will allow you to select or upload a new image from your files to be used as the thumbnail. Finally, after selecting your desired picture, click on Add to Page. This action saves your changes and applies the new image as the post thumbnail, making it the first visual element your audience sees. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully changed the thumbnail image for a post on your Wix site.